In a world of fire and ash, life found a way. Creatures adapted, growing heat-resistant shells and learning to thrive in the molten landscape. "How do you survive here?" asked a curious traveler. "We embrace the heat," replied a wise elder. "It fuels our growth." Plants evolved to bloom in the ash, their roots digging deep for nutrients. "It's not the strongest who survive," the elder continued, "but those who adapt." The traveler marveled at the resilience around them, inspired to face their own challenges with newfound courage.